Alright guys, we're going to finish up the wall update today so I can recover what's left of my garage and get back to projects. So let's get right to it. I went through and I just put in these little 2x3s to space away from this conduit, and then put the board on top of that. It's been pretty sturdy, so I just got 2 more boards to cut up and mount, and then I just have this section up here to do, and 1 more piece of board to cut up there. I'm gonna put some trim around that outlet that I cut so jankily, and then a little bit over by that exhaust. And then it'll be time to fill all the holes with putty, sand it down, and get to staining. Freak me out. My garage door is randomly opening and closing. No warning, not pushing any buttons. Just seemingly randomly opening and closing. When I got home today, it was actually open. I'm kind of freaking out about this. So I think I'm just gonna unplug the garage door for right now. Alrighty, that's all the boards up on the wall. It's looking pretty cool, actually. There's some few things I kind of want to touch up eventually. I want to put some trim around this light socket, but I haven't quite figured out how I want to do that. I also want to cover up some of these little patch holes. And that little gap is so small, I'd have to cut a board in like a quarter. I don't really think it's worth it, so I'm gonna figure out something to do there. I might do some lighting since it's kind of dark in this corner. So I might run a string of lights back there, shining down, and kind of maybe put some something opaque in front of it to kind of, yeah, anyway. I might put some lights up in this little band right here. So I'm gonna leave that as is for now. So next step is to come through with wood putty and kind of get all the little holes that I can, fill in any cracks that I don't want to be there, sand it, clean it all, and then start staining. Yeah, I think it looks pretty sick. Let me get a nice wide shot of it. Something like that. It's looking pretty cool. Alright, major holes patched and waiting for this stuff to dry, and then I'm going to hit it with the sander, clean it all up. Alright, I'm pretty stoked for this next part. We're gonna start staining. Let's get the time lapse on the stain. Alright, so a little bit more time has passed than I thought there would be before I got this video out. As you can see in the background, I have all my stuff right in front of the wall again. It is a complete mess, but I did that because I had to prepare for the 12-hour. I had to get the bike ready, so I had to throw everything back up against the wall. It's a complete mess, and I've got some things I want to do. That LED light strip up there, I was actually taking some pictures of because it's got some bum sections, so I gotta send it back. But that's actually gonna run along the wide board and light up some of the back of the wall. I think it'll be pretty cool. So the next time you see this, this will be this is a work in progress. All of this is a work in progress. I think it'll be cool scratching up the wall a little bit and just getting it used. It'll start to look a little bit more weathered than it does right now. So yeah, that is our new wall, and hopefully when I'm filming over here, it's oh god, stepping on stuff. It'll be a little less get this out of here. There we go. So hopefully when I'm filming, this will be a little bit better of a backdrop than WoW posters and whatnot. Alright guys, let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed these little projects. I've got a whole bunch of updates I want to do to the garage, and if you're enjoying them, I'll make some more videos. If not, totally get back to just bikes and racing and all that stuff. So yeah, Comments down. Like it if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos. If not, totally fine. Not forcing you. But yeah, alright. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage, and I'll see you next time.